Hello friends, let's do leaf printing. We need some leaves, paint, paper and brush. Apply paint and press. Draw an eye and tail and your fish is ready. Now let's make a butterfly with painted leaves. Now draw the antennae and your butterfly is ready. Now, let's make a tree. Take a big leaf and paint the backside. Now turn the leaf and press it on paper. See you get the print on paper. Now draw the tree trunk with brown color below the leaf stalk. Let's make a peacock. First, let's paint all the leaves. Now, press the leaves to print the colored leaves. That's the peacock head and body. My peacock is ready. Okay friends, now it's your turn. Try to create this flower with leaf printing. Friends, I am giving you some amazing ideas for your science posters. Look at the posters coming up next. You can make any of these. They're super easy. Okay friends, I hope you learned something today. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.